Lisa here from Angel Rose Designs here on YouTube. I'm here today with the snowman uh, from last week from Mrs. Gigi's group. I'm playing catch up, so let's get this started. So, what I want to do, I have these here. I printed them small, okay? And what I'm going to do is back them on cardstock. The little ones at least. I don't know if I have one big enough to do the big one. We'll try this for the big one. And maybe another long one for the small ones. Maybe we can get all three of them on one. Okay, so let's get, oh, this is going to fit perfect on here. Cool beans. And then we got all three small ones. One, two. Perfect. Okay, let's glue these on here. And I'm using art glitter glue to get them on. I could use double-sided tape or a glue stick, whatever, but I want art glitter glue because it gives me a little more time to um, do what I need to do. Okay, next one. We're going to glue all four of them, and then I'm going to show you what I'm going to do. So how is everyone doing? I want to welcome you all back to my channel where everything is made with love in every stitch. I'm glad y'all came back. And if y'all make this, please do post your pictures in Mrs. Gigi's group so we can see what you've done with this. Okay, so we're going to need the scissors again so we can recut them. And I'm going to keep all the scraps because I'm going to use the scraps on here. So I hope you had a nice weekend. Over here it's been cold, rainy, windy, and everything you can think of. So we're almost done with this one. So we're going to save these scraps. I'm going to put them under here. So that's one. There. Now we're going to work on these. Again, the same way I did the other one. So that one's done. We're going to keep this piece here. Keep that piece. Trim around this here. And maybe we can save some of this. I don't know. We'll see how it goes. I think we can. Because we can save some of the small pieces to make something. That's two, well, that's three of them. Let's do the last one. And we're going to keep that piece. So those are for other things to go with this project here. I might not do the small snowman, but we'll see. Because I'm going to use the smaller one for like a tuck spot in my December daily, which that's another thing I got to catch up videos for my December daily. This one's not much on it, so we're going to put that in the recycle. So now, what I want to do is start with this one here. Whoops. And I'm going to get something that's small enough to where I can make circles. Okay, I think that's big enough. So let's get my pen. We're going to do, let's see, 5 of these. So here's one. Let's see if we can get them all on one piece. I don't have a small circle punch, so I have to do it this way. I might be able to get 4 on this. Whoops. And maybe 1 over here. Nope, I can't. So I'm going to do 2 more on this one. And now we're going to cut them out. Here's one. Now we're going for the buttons. Like so. I'm going to remove this. Let's see if I have any orange for his nose. No, so I'm going to have to take a piece of white and find an orange crayon or marker to make his carrot nose. Nope, that's too big. So I'm gonna pull out the crayons here, and right here is the orange. So we're gonna color his carrot nose and put it on him. So we're gonna leave this where we can get it, just in case we work on the smaller ones. Well, his carrot nose is kind of small. We need a bigger carrot nose. Okay, this one's big enough. Like a soul. So we're going to pull out the red crayon again and color this one. Or orange crayon, I'm sorry guys. So now we have this all colored. We're going to glue everything on. And then I'm going to need a red color. Nah, I don't like that one. I don't think there is a red in here. Orange. Hmm. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to color his something that I'm going to draw on him. I'm going to put it maroon. Okay, so I'm going to put this to the side. Let's clear all this off. And start sticking this on. Put this down a little. Let's do his carrot nose. Looks more like a triangle, but hey, I tried. His 3 buttons. Let me roll this up a little. We got his 3 buttons here. Now I'll be back. Okay, I'm back. So I've made his hat, his arms, his pipe, and his scarf. So we're going to do his scarf. I'm going to let it go over one of the buttons. So we're going to glue on his scarf. Here's one part. The other piece is going to go like this. Now we're going to put his hat, his pipe, not his hat, his pipe. Going like so. Then we're going to put his hat on. Okay, I'm back. Sorry about that. Let's put his hat on, his chapeau. And now we're going to put his arms on. His arms are kind of long, but I'm going to shrink them. One here. Come on. And one right here. And that is my snowman. Now, what I want to do is put a little bit stickles on Mr. Snowman. So, we're going to let him glisten. I'm going to outline my scarf. The maroon looks pink, but it's not. It's maroon, trust me. I'm going to let his buttons glisten. I'm going to outline him. Although we won't be able to see it, but it's going to be there. Like so. Uh-oh. I'm running out of my stickles. Let's hope it lasts us to get Mr. Snowman here. I want to do this. Uh-oh. And then do a round over here. Let's do his hat with swirlies. And put like some little swirlies or squigglies on the bottom. Okay, that's it for that part. So, what else can we... I think that's it for Mr. Snowman. So I want to thank you all for watching. Please like, share, and comment. And if you haven't done so already, please do subscribe and hit that notification bell to get notified of when I upload new content, when I go live, or when I do a premiere. I want to say, please be blessed, be kind, be caring, be crafty. I will see you all in the next video. And on the flip side, remember, you are where everything is made with love in every stitch. Also, happy crafting on a budget. Happy everything on a budget. I will see you all in the next video and on the flip side. Bye-bye for now.